After you've adjusted your Seller Central settings, you next want to go to the List and Prep page. Once you're on the List and Prep page, the first step is to create a batch. Now on this page, once you've created batches, they will show in this window. Your working shipments, once created, will also show here. And when you have working shipments, you'll be able to sort those if you'd like by selecting which ones you want to see if you don't want to see all of them. If you do nothing, you're just going to see everything here. And this button will refresh the information from Amazon. And so that if you've canceled a shipment and you don't want to see it here, for example, click here. We're going to get new information. It'll remove the shipments that are no longer considered working. As far as the Open Batches page, you'll notice that there's a print settings here. You can click on this. It will take you to your printer settings. And this is where you would set up a thermal label printer and then choose whether you want those labels printed after adding to an FBA batch, a merchant fulfilled batch, etc. So we're just going to go over the basic, and the first step to that is creating a new batch. So you would just click here, create a new batch. The batch settings by default will get you going so that you can add your items to the batch, create your shipments, pay for your shipments, and then send it off to Amazon. So you really don't have to do much here. Individual products, it's FBA. You're going to label your items. Now, if you choose for any other types of criteria for your batch, make sure to take our classes in customer coaching, and they will go over the different variables for the batch settings. We're just going to go with the basic default settings. And very simply, you just create it. Once you create it, you'll see it here. And when it's selected blue, if there were any items in it, they would appear on this side. Your next step is to actually list your products, add them to the batch, and we'll go over that in the next video.